Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to improve communication skills step by step. Start by focusing on a clear structure and purpose for every message you share. Break ideas into a main point and two supporting details, then end with a simple next step. Record short practice sessions, listen back, and adjust tone, pace, and word choice. Keep practicing in small, regular sessions to build confidence and clarity. Focus on active listening to build trust and truly understand the speaker's intent. Use eye contact, nodding, and brief encouragers to show attention, then paraphrase what you heard to confirm. Ask open questions to explore meaning and avoid jumping to conclusions. Manage your internal reactions so you can listen fully, and practice regularly with a partner or recordings for steady improvement and clearer responses in real conversations. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear communication tips. Quick recommendation: pick up the book The Simple Path to Wealth to reshape priorities and reduce stress so you can communicate with more calm and clarity. It pairs well with practicing concise messages and mindful listening to improve everyday conversations. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Craft concise messages that center on one clear idea with two strong supporting points. Use vivid examples or relatable metaphors to make abstract concepts concrete and memorable. Avoid jargon and choose simple words your audience already knows to prevent confusion. Vary sentence length and pause deliberately to emphasize key ideas, then rehearse transitions aloud so your delivery flows naturally across different settings and audiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.